How to record a Zoom meeting on laptop. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Zoom application on your laptop. Now, once you are logged in, if you want to record a meeting, you have to be the meeting host. So you're going to have to create a new meeting here. So go ahead and click on this new meeting option. And now from here, you're going to have to join the new meeting. So click on start. And now your new meeting will be started. So in order to record a new meeting, you're going to have to head over to Host Tools and see all of these available options. Click on this More option, and here you have an option to record. So you can either press Alt plus R as your shortcut to start recording, or you could just go ahead and click on Record.
Recording in progress.
As you can see here, the recording has been started, and now you can continue without the audio, or you unmute yourself. And now if you want to end the recording, you can click here, and at the top you'll find the recording options. You can pause it, or you could completely stop it. So press Alt plus R to stop again.
Recording stopped.
Now the recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.